Hello, my name is Anand Gopalakrishnan and welcome to my second episode about Python. In the previous video, we learned about what Python is, how it was used, and Python syntax and indentations. In this video, we will be learning about variables. What is a variable? A variable is a memory location that can store a value. Here is a way to visualize it. Imagine you had a room full of boxes. Each box contains something in it. The boxes are the equivalent of the variables and the things in the boxes are the equivalent of the values. How to name a variable? Think back to the boxes. Imagine you are trying to find one particular box with a book in it. It would be much easier to find that box if the box had a label. It's just the same with variables. Each variable has a variable name that helps with identification. In this diagram, the box is the equivalent of the variable, the book is the equivalent of the variable's value, and the label is the equivalent to the variable name. There are rules to naming a variable. 1. A variable name must begin with a letter or an underscore. 2. A variable name can contain numbers, letters, and underscores. 3. A variable name must not contain any special characters except the underscore. And 4. A variable name must not contain any spaces. Use an underscore instead. Here are some examples of variables that I have written on the sheet. Age equals 17 and lives equals 3. The equal to sign in programming is known as the assignment operator. We will be learning about operators in a later video. This is an example of a variable declaration. You first write the variable name, followed by the assignment operator, and lastly the value that you wish to assign to the variable. Well done! You have made it through your second lesson of Python. In the next video, we will be learning about the different data types of Python. So I'll see you next time.